Hi, and welcome to another CTH Student Voices film. If you've been enjoying these films, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you won't miss anything that's coming up. So today we head to Istanbul in Turkey to one of our CTH Gold Centres, MSA, the Culinary Arts Academy. In addition to the Chef Academy, MSA also have a renowned 5-star restaurant on the banks of the stunning Bosphorus Strait, which gives students some very valuable hands-on customer experience. So I hope you enjoy the film. Let's go.
When did I first become interested in cooking? I think as a child, because my dad's a baker. He's been a baker for around 45 to 50 years. And when I was seeing making cakes and all other pastry stuff, I would always think that's art. And I was very interested in painting and drawing. So I thought I can combine both of them and create my own art.
The MSA lectures push me to be a better chef by teaching us techniques and recipe, but they're also teaching us how to do well in business, how to survive in business, how to survive in this industry. I want to get the right education, so that's why I came to MSA.
To be an outstanding chef, you gotta work a lot, and I mean it. You gotta work more than the people surrounding you. You gotta do a lot of research, a lot of reading, but at the end, it's very rewarding.
Learning to produce quick solutions and managing a crisis is one of the most important things that you should know how to do in the kitchen, and my CTH qualification added that to me.
When I researched about CTH, I've seen that their qualification works internationally, and I'm someone that really wants to travel around the world as well. So I thought I can get the qualification, travel around the world and work at the same time and gain more experience.
Our graduates work in various hotels and restaurants all over the world. Some examples that come in my mind is like one of them working at the Noma in Copenhagen. We have a graduate who is in charge of the Swiss hotel kitchen. He's an executive chef. We have another graduate working as a cluster chef at the Ritz-Carlton in Doha, in charge of 2 kitchens. Another one, Okan, is working at the famous chef Eric Ripert restaurant, which is called Le Bernardin in New York. So graduates have a lot of opportunities. They can work in different places, upscale restaurants, 5-star hotels, you name it.
Normally, when I had restaurant, we always knew that service and kitchen doesn't understand each other. What I'm trying to do in the restaurant of the school, which is one of the best 3 or 5 restaurants in Istanbul, incredible location, incredible food, incredible students. Students are serving, students work in the kitchen, because when they graduate, they will know that the experience of the customer, the music of the restaurant, the smell of the restaurant, the atmosphere of the restaurant is as important as the taste of the food.
Size birazcık benim için burayı yönetmenin neden keyifli olduğundan bahsedeceğim. Çünkü biz burada kendimizi diğer restoranlardan ayırdığımız bir özellikle ön plana çıkmaya çalışıyoruz. Bu da Mutfak Sanatları Akademisi'nde, yani bizim akademimizde eğitimini alan, pratik eğitimini tamamlayan öğrencilerimizin ilk olarak dış hayata ilk adımını attığı ve orada aldığı teorik ve pratik eğitimin gerçek hayattaki uyguladığı bir nokta olarak görüyorum ben burayı. Bu da 4 aya bir değişen bir sistem içerisinde kurulu bir sistem olduğu için sürekli bizi dinamik tutan, dinç tutan ve enerjimizi hiç kaybetmemize sebebiyet veren bir özellik olarak görüyorum ve böyle sürekli yenilenen, yeni insanlardan bizim kattığımız ve onların bize bir şey kattığı bir sistem içerisinde bu restoranı yönetmek benim için çok keyifli bir hal alıyor.
The best part of working at MSA for me is like when a graduate calls you. They can either call you for like a advice or mentorship or guidance. They can have some challenges in their work field or whatever. You guide them, you call them, you have a coffee with them, you share your experience. So that's one of the best parts. Having an impact in their career is one of the best feelings that we have here.